Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of SVT Outdoors, and today I'm fishing with my brother Gage.
And we're going to be fishing with Senko and Topwater, so let's get going.
Oh yeah. See if we can get another right here. Sure did. Nice job. Here we go. Alright guys, got my mystery tackle box here. Open it up, get the Guggen Squad. What is this? It's a Guggen Squad revolver. And we're gonna tie this on a bait caster. Here we go. Oh, he's coming at me quick. Oh, he's a good one. Sweet. Got him. Yep. Oh yeah. Double up. On the Guggen Squad revolver. The same size. Got two nice ones. I like how the revolver has that paddle in the middle, directs the bites to the middle of the bait where these hooks are. Then it has kind of a finned out tail here. Then like keeps it up straight. Got him. Wow, 2 in a row. They just love that revolver. Yep. There we go. I want to get it hooked. Very sharp hooks on here. There we go. Another fish on the revolver. Catching them today. Oh yeah. That was a big strike there. Yeah. Yeah? It's a good fish. Get in here. Yeah. So I'm talking about. Good fish. A revolver. Here we go. No net. Call that one. To a Senko quick, because there's a big dot. Another fish on the Senko. Just cruising along the weed flat. There we go. This is a good one. I want in the net slide. Yeah, I think it's a good one. Ooh. Yeah, that's a good one. Good one. Ooh. Dang, this is hitting hard. It's big. Oh. Get him. Get him. Yes. Oh, that's probably 3 pounder. That was the hardest I've ever had a fish fight. Yeah. Yeah, that gotta be a 3 pounder. Let him go. I was just fishing out a little deeper because you were by that dock. And he smashed it. Oh, there's a bass up there. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Oh, yeah, he's a good one. I saw that one eat it. He ate it right when your thing hit the water. I was going to tell you. Oh, yeah. And that. That's a 3.5. For sure. That's a 3.5 pounder. That's a big one. Can I just weigh this one? Just like right on the back of third. That's a big one. You want a net? Net? Yeah. Oh. Senko's in it, but... Yes, sir. Piling up the bass here. Okay, yeah, that's front pocket or not. That's a, yeah, yours is 3.5. Here's 3.25. Wait, I need to let that go. Okay, I'll let it go. That's a good one. Yeah, yeah, just let it go. Nice fish, man. Right. That was a double up right there. Yeah. It's like, this one's probably 3.2, yours is probably 3.5. Yeah. Some good fish right there. All in the same spot. Okay. So you can get another right here. Sure did. That's a good one. Dang, they're piled up. Woo, that's a big one. Where is it? Cool. Yeah, that's a 3. 3. Wow. That's crazy how many fish are piled up. Piled up on this one area. That is another pretty big bass right there. Nice job. Nice. Woo. That's epic. Piled up.